Welcome back, Beauty Wowers. I'm Nex Herrera, and today we're doing a Carnival King. Now I'm gonna base the body out in white Maron cake makeup. Now to give a nice finish, I'm using the airbrush. Now I'm using the airbrush to contour with blue. Now I'm using the airbrush to define and highlight. Now for the face. I'm doing a white airbrush foundation. And I'm going to continue the same process I did with the body, contour and highlight. Now I'm using stencils to add detailed design. Now I'm going to use the Shimmer Powder to hide any creases around the eyes. And for a little trick, using the airbrush for mascara. Some black eyeliner. Now this is a fun one, using Maron Gold and mixing liquid and running it through the airbrush. To get the glitter to stick to the beard, I'm using gel. For a little trick, I'm using an air puffer to get the glitter onto the beard. For the eyebrows, I'm using Prozade and the same techniques I did with the beard. And for a finishing touch, the lips. My inspiration for this was Mardi Gras. One of the challenges is not getting glitter everywhere. You can never go wrong with shiny bling. Add glitter to everything. Till next time, Beauty Wowers, I'm Nex Herrera.